Today, I am going to show you a quick and easy way to boost your internet speed and improve your online experience. If you've ever felt like your connection is lagging or unreliable, the problem might not be your internet provider. It could be your DNS settings. In this video, I'll show you how to switch to a faster, more reliable DNS server in just a few simple steps. Whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, this straightforward tweak can make a significant difference in speed, privacy, and overall performance. Let's get started. First, let's quickly break down what DNS is, in case you're not familiar. Think of it as the internet's phone book. Instead of typing in a long, complicated IP address like 66.249.64.0 to visit a website, DNS translates easy-to-remember domain names, like google.com, into those numerical addresses. It's what makes browsing the web so user-friendly. But here's the catch. The default DNS server provided by your internet service provider, ISP, is often slower, less reliable, and not as private as it could be. That's why switching to a free public DNS server, like Cloudflare or Google DNS, can be a game changer. Now, let's get into how to make the switch. The easiest way to do this on both Windows 10 and 11 is through the Control Panel. Start by typing Control Panel into the search bar on your taskbar, then open it. Once you're in, switch the view to Large Icons in the top right corner, then click on Network and Sharing Center. From there, select Change Adapter Settings on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of your network connections. Right-click on the one you're using to connect to the internet and select Properties. Here's where the magic happens. You'll need to update the DNS settings for both IPv4 and IPv6. Let's start with IPv4. Scroll down the list of items, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. In the new window, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For Cloudflare, enter 1.1.1.1 as the preferred DNS server and 1.0.0.1 as the alternate DNS server. Once you've entered those, click OK to save your changes. Next, let's update IPv6. Go back to the list, select Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, and click Properties. Again, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. For Cloudflare, enter 2606:4700:4700:1111 as the preferred DNS server and 2606:4770:4770:1001 as the alternate DNS server. Don't worry if these look complicated. You can copy and paste them from the description below. Once you're done, click OK to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully switched to a faster, more reliable DNS server. You might notice an immediate improvement in your browsing speed, but the real benefits come over time, with better reliability and privacy. If you're not sure which DNS server works best for you, I recommend experimenting with options like Google DNS or OpenDNS, which I've also listed in the description. Use this simple tweak to boost your internet speed and improve your online experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to check out our free newsletter. It's packed with exclusive tips, updates, and guides to help you get the most out of your tech. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.